Yes, this is a real YouTube video. I know it's been a while since I created my last YouTube video, but I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with me, and for those of you who are new here to this channel, thank you for being here. It's currently 2 in the morning and I'm going to be decorating this frozen cake, so let me get ready. All right, so now that we're ready, let me show you how to decorate this cake. All right, so once you fill your cake layers, you're gonna crumb coat it, and basically just crumb coating is when you cover your cake in a thin layer of buttercream just to keep the crumbs in. So let's do that now. And now we're gonna freeze it for 15 minutes. The next step is to apply the outer coat of buttercream on this cake. And for this step, my personal preference is to use a piping bag. That way I get an even coat of buttercream around the cake. And now that our cake is completely covered, I'm gonna put it in the freezer for another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, just so it hardens up, because I'm gonna be using a stencil. All right, it's been 15 to 20 minutes. My cake is solid, and I went ahead and colored some buttercream. So I have 3 different colors of buttercream here, and I squished it all into one bag, fitted with a 1M tip, and I'm just gonna pipe a nice little rope border on the top, and yeah, so you can see how I do that. And I have the perfect, cutest little sprinkle mix from Confetti House, and they're located in Hawaii, but they do ship, so check that out if you are making this kind of cake. And now it's time for the stencil. Okay, so I'm just gonna place this onto the cake. Let's go like this. That way you guys can see it. Okay, and then make sure it's pretty straight as you can, I guess. And then we're just gonna get our color. Spatchers. Kind of just smooth it on, get it all on there. All right. And what I'm gonna do is just grab this, my cake scraper, and scrape it across the whole. All right, it's the first bit. All right, and reveal. All right, and before I do the other side, actually, let's see. If I put this on the other side, will it match up? Okay, never mind, we're just gonna go for it. Press again. Flip this back around. No, can you guys see that? so that was my bad. So that first part of the stencil where I kind of smoothed it out with my spatula, don't do that. Just put your colors on there and just use your cake scraper and smooth it out that way. Reveal. Not bad. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the rest of my colors and I'm just gonna pipe like random little dots, open stars all around, and I'm gonna put the characters onto the cake. And I'm gonna put that in time lapse so you guys can see and it won't take forever. Alright guys, that is how you make a frozen cake. You can easily do this at home. If you want to know more detailed stuff, like what kind of products I use, like the stenciling, the gold paint, the piping tips, leave a comment, ask all your questions that you want, and I will get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. I'll see you guys next time.